Is Midjourney worth it? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss whether or not Midjourney is actually worth it, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the question of whether or not the Midjourney subscription is actually worth it, because Midjourney does not have a free version, right? You have to directly link to your Discord as a bot and then start paying for it. So basically deciding if Midjourney is worth it depends on your specific needs and interest in AI generated art. Midjourney is usually used for creating art, AI generated arts, like you can use it to create NFTs or wallpapers, your phone wallpaper, PC wallpapers, and so on. So first, quality of art is very important, right? Because Midjourney is known for producing high quality, aesthetically pleasing and unique AI generated artwork. And if you're an artist, you're also a designer involved in creative projects, Midjourney can be a valuable tool for inspiration, concept art, and generating ideas. Ease of use, the platform is user-friendly, making it accessible even for those who may not be tech-savvy or familiar with AI tools. Community and support. And subscription cost, because you have to consider the cost of the subscription and what you get in return. Midjourney offers various plans, so you can choose one that fits your budget and usage needs. So hope this video helps you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.